Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by ChezMamie where French cuisine is made easy. So today we are going to make a salmon cake. So that will be the first of a cake series, but for today let's focus on this one. So you can have a salmon cake with a green salad, for example, but that's also a standalone dish. So depending on your menu, you can have this cake either as an entree, so first course, or as your main dish. And when summer comes, that's also very convenient for a picnic because that holds quite well. So what do you need for a perfect salmon cake? You will need obviously some salmon. So here 200 grams of cooked salmon that I cooked in a frying pan already. And you may also want to use smoked salmon instead. That really depends on your liking. Then you will need 3 eggs, 150 grams of flour, 60 grams of green olives just to give some color, and around 100 grams here of goat cheese. So I picked this one because that has some flavor, and I would not recommend using Emmental or mozzarella cheese, for example, because they don't have a very strong flavor. A little bit of olive oil, some salt, pepper, and also some spices as well if you want to spice it up a little bit, and 15 centiliters of milk. So are you ready? Let's start. So first, you put your salmon in the bowl. Then you mix with your 3 eggs. And then you can add your flour just in 2 shots. You can use a whisk as well, but that should be okay with just a fork here. And then second part. So that's very easy because you mix everything, and that should give you, in the end at least, a nice and yummy result. So for olives, that's up to you. You can slice them up, or just, I can do just like in 2, for example, 2 pieces. That's okay. You can add full as well, full olives if you want. And then we will also slice up the goat cheese. That's it. And then the goat cheese. Like I would do like in 4 pieces. That should give a nice flavor to the salmon cake. Et voila, the cake is ready to bake. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. You will find more recipes by ChezMamie where the French cuisine is made easy.